to be learning some Tagalog words with my auntie. So, friends, I'm gonna call my guests today. Avi, Rosabella, Avi. So here are my guests, Avi and Rosabella.
Hello!
Hello.
Want to learn Tagalog words? Some Tagalog words?
Yes,
Do you know some Tagalog words?
yes, a few.
Huh?
Yeah.
A few? Okay, let's add some more. So tell me what you know Tagalog. What Tagalog words do you know, Avi?
A lot.
A lot. Wow.
But I just can't remember.
So, what Tagalog words do you know?
Aso,
What is aso?
dog.
Oh, very good. Yay. What else?
Baho.
Baho. What is baho?
Stinky.
Who's baho? Who is baho?
Me. Do you
Who?
know?
Who's baho?
The cameraman.
Ho? Do you know the fact that you have your first word when you were like 2 months old? You said baho. Maybe your dad is baho or your mom is baho?
My dad was.
Your dad was baho?
Yeah,
And
he
how-
told me the story.
Baho? What's baho?
How about AB? What Tagalog words do you know?
I know what.
What?
And sometimes if I'm texting my sister because I call her ate, I make a mistake and call her tate.
Ay and ate. It rhymes.
And tate means poop.
And what is puwet in English? Do you know?
Bum.
How about do you know kilikili?
Armpit.
Armpit. Armpit.
I know basic words
Like what?
like legal
Ligo.
and butas.
Butas?
What do they mean?
Oh, what is
Hole.
butas?
Hole.
Butas means hole. Okay, I'll teach you.
As guessing.
Do you know what fingers in Tagalog?
Point. No.
Huh? No? Fingers means daliri.
Daliri.
Daliri. Okay. Then, do you know what hands in Tagalog?
I don't know.
How about AV? Do you know?
Colin.
Honey! I think she's hungry. Kanin is rice. Kamay.
Kamay.
Hands is kamay.
Kamay.
And then, mata. Do you know what mata?
Eyes.
Very good. How about nose? What in Tagalog? What?
Ilong.
Ilong. Very good. Ilong. Yay. How about teeth? What in Tagalog?
Ipin.
Huh?
Ipin.
Ipin or nipin?
Nipin.
Nipin is
Not-
right.
Ipin
Yeah.
is like you squash your finger on the door.
Ipit. That's ipin. Squash your finger on the door. Not ipin. Okay. What else? How about paa? Do you know paa? Oh, yeah.
Your feet?
Feet is paa. How about shoulder?
I don't know.
It's,
Do you know?
do you know? AV? No? It's balikat.
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 It sounds like
Shoulder.
balloon.
Balloon. Okay. What else? Tuhod in Tagalog. In English.
Back.
Tuhod is back. No.
I feel like it's their nose right now.
Tuhod is knee. Knee. Not back. That's likod. Likod. Back is likod. No. You know there's a song, like a very short song where you can learn Tagalog words of parts of the body. Do you want to know that?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, I'll teach you, both of you.
Is it about the body parts?
Yes. Yes. Okay, I'll teach you the song now. Okay, you remember, ha? Daliri,
Daliri,
kamay,
kamay,
mata,
mata,
ilong,
ilong,
ngipin,
ngipin,
tenga,
tenga,
paa.
paa.
Ang paa, yan, paa. And,
Kilikili.
Kili-kili. Okay, I'll teach you the song now. You try to remember, then after that, we're going to have a game. Okay?
I might forget.
Yeah, no, you have to remember.
I'm trying.
Okay. Okay.
So I have
Okay.
to try.
Sampung mga daliri, kamay at paa. Where's paa? Dalawang tenga, dalawang mata, ilong na maganda.
Pretty.
Maliliit na ngipin, masarap kumain. Dilang maliit. What is dila?
Dila, tongue?
Tang, yeah. Dilang maliit, nagsasabi, wag kang magsinungaling. Wag magsinungaling means what?
Don't tell a lie.
Yes. It's not good to tell a lie. Okay, let's practice again. Sampu means 10. How many fingers do you have?
10 fingers when you put them all together.
Yeah, there's 10 fingers. And then how many hands do you have?
Two.
How many eyes?
Two.
2. How many ears?
Two.
How many nose?
One.
Let's sing it again. Practice, okay? Okay. Sampung mga daliri, kamay at paa, dalawang tenga, dalawang mata, ilong na maganda, maliliit na ngipin, masarap kumain, dilang maliit, nagsasabi, wag kang magsinungaling. Yay! So you understand the song?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
That means you have 10 fingers, you have 2 hands, you have 2 eyes, 2 ears, you have tongue, and
Never tell a lie.
never tell a lie. You have set up teeth, small. That is, because it's saying all small, that means it's a song for kid.
Song
Yeah,
for you.
small means maliit in Tagalog.
That song for me because I'm little.
Yes. Okay. Do you want to have a game about that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Bye. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share with others, please.
Astige!